Proxxon 3 and 11/32 inches table saw engineered in Germany for perfectly straight cuts. The ideal machine for model building, picture framing, dollhouses, birdhouses, and other intricate projects such as fine mechanics, mold construction, toy manufacture, architects, model carpenters, and fitters. The Proxxon has many features for the precision craftsman. Adjustable setting stop. Fence has a set screw for 5 adjustments of longitudinal stop by 0.004 inches at 10th millimeter for very precise cut. Blade angle may be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees for mitre cuts. The blade may also be raised or lowered to accommodate the optimum height for various materials being cut. Double mitre cuts are possible when height adjustment and 45-degree tiltable saw blade are used together with angle stop. Low noise drive using DC special motor with compound belt driver. Ball bearing saw blade shaft. Tungsten carbide-tipped saw blade comes with the saw. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Size 3 and 9/64 inches diameter by 1/16 of inches wide kerf. 24-tooth blade is good for general purpose cuts with wood, non-ferrous metals, plastics, plexiglass, fiberglass foam, and other materials. Stable and sturdy construction because load-bearing parts and plain milled tables are made of die-cast aluminum. Extendable table extension with integrated auxiliary stop provides for very accurate cuts of larger material. Meter gauge comes with an angle stop rail of aluminum and an adjustable limit stop for manufacturing parts of equal length and the same angle. The adjustable meter runs in a milled slot on the tabletop for precision accuracy. Vacuum cleaner adapter permits clean working. Technical data: 110 to 120 volt AC, 60 Hz, 7000 RPM. Mitre infinitely adjusts up to 45 degrees. Table size is 12 by 12 inches or 300 by 300 millimeters. Cutting depth 0.045 inches. Saw blade's arbor is 1332 inches or 10 millimeters. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Angle stop with stop rail of aluminum and adjustable limit stop for manufacturing parts of equal length and the same angle. Number 2. Table and drive can be lifted and supported like an engine bonnet for cleaning the device and easy saw blade replacement. Number 3. Non-slotted sawing cap cover of abs for tight tolerances between saw blade and table for cutting very small parts. Number 4. Tungsten tipped saw blade. 80 mm by 1.6 mm by 10 mm, 36 teeth. Number 5. The ideal machine for model building, picture framing, dollhouses, birdhouses, and other intricate projects. Number 6. For fine mechanics, model building, mold construction, toy manufacture, architects, model carpenters, and fitters. Number 7. For cutting wood, non-ferrous metals, plastics, plexiglass, fiberglass reinforced sheets, foam, and many other materials. Number 8. Stable construction because load-bearing parts and plain milled tables are made of die-cast aluminum. Number 9. Scope of delivery: 1x Proxxon table saw FET including tungsten tipped saw blade, vacuum cleaner adapter, part number, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.